In this video, I'm going to show you how to manually create a variation listing. What is a variation listing or relationship? Variations, also known as child-parent relationships or parent-child relationships, are sets of products related to one another. They could be related by size, color, quantity, material, and so on. A good variation relationship allows buyers to compare and choose products based on different attributes such as size, color, or other characteristics. Now, I'm going to show you an example on how to create a parent-child relationship. So firstly, you want to have all your products listed on Amazon already. So say if you're launching, in our case, it's a 3-in-1 convertible chair. It's a sofa bed, but we're offering it in different colors. We've got mustard velvet, gray velvet, green velvet, and blue velvet. So we're going to include these 4 listings in one parent-child variation listing. Product type, item type, so keywords or browser node, and variation theme. You want to make sure those are matching, or when creating the variation manually, it won't work. Find one of your products. In this case, we're going to use the mustard velvet sofa bed. Click edit. Now, Amazon's made this really nice and easy to set up. So I want to show you. If we go to the variations tab, we've got create variations for this listing. And Amazon even tells us that it's not currently part of a variation. So click create the variation. So here we have the option to choose a variation type. In our case, we're going to select color because we're offering this product in different colors. And click continue. Cool. From here, we're going to have to fill in some details. So I'm going to fill in this variations tab after, but let's get these product details sorted. Product identity, I'm just going to use the title. I'll get rid of mustard velvet. Cool, so we've got a basic title. Let's select the offer. Here we have to select the shipping method. So we're going to select one of our FBM shipping methods. You have the option to dispatch by Amazon too. And then, is this product dangerous good? Nope. It doesn't contain any batteries, so it's not applicable. Excellent. So let's go to the variations tab. Here we're going to go ahead, type in the different colors. We've got grey velvet, green velvet, and blue velvet. Cool. So we've got our 4 different colors here. And then you want to enter the same SKU code as is on the current active listing. Otherwise, this will not work, and the same product identifier. So your SKU is the code you created when creating the product as your own identifier. The external product ID, in our case, we're using a EAN code. So we're going to type in the EAN number here. And then select the condition type, it depends on what you're selling the product as. And then your price, quantity, and so on. And the good news is, because the product is already active on Amazon, Amazon will combine all of the reviews and all of the images. However, if your product details aren't the same, so brand name, manufacturer, product type, and so on, it won't work. So you need to make sure those details are the same, and Amazon will combine the reviews and the images. So I've already filled this in on another tab. Here we are. I want to go ahead and save and finish. And then Amazon should combine all of these ASINs together. It looks like I've got an issue with safety and compliance. Are batteries required? Nope. No batteries. Cool. And now let's save and finish. Then Amazon will combine all of these ASINs together to create one variation listing. So I've given it about 10 minutes and Amazon has already created the parent-child relationship. So we've got our parent ASIN here, which is this ASIN here. And then we've got the 4 different colors: mustard velvet, grey velvet, green, and blue. And if we go on Amazon, I'll show you here. Amazon has created the variation on their website, and we've got the different colors. The images have been transferred as well as the bullet points and description. So there's no issues at all with this listing. Now, you might notice there's only 3 colors available. That is because we've got one of the items which is out of stock, the blue velvet. So you won't see that on Amazon's website. They tend to remove it if there's no, well, they do remove it if there's no stock. Now that we've done this, I'm going to quickly explain why creating a variation listing is ideal if you're offering the product in different colors, quantities, and so on. By creating a variation listing, you increase your conversion rate, right? So maybe a customer or a shopper is in the market for a blue velvet or green velvet bed. However, they see your advertisement for the mustard velvet bed. They like the design, so they click on it. Now, when they click on it, they're going to see all the different the color variations. And because they're in the market for a green velvet in the first place, they're more likely to make a purchase on your listing. And secondly, it increases your sales, right? Because if you increase your conversion rate, you're going to increase your sales. So it means more revenue for you. So this is the end of the video. I hope you've taken value from it. And I'm going to be creating SOPs for how to manually create a variation listing. So if you're interested in receiving an SOP on this, perhaps you can give it to your team or have a read through yourself. Get in touch, we'll have a chat, and I'll send over a document.